my second attempt to make a video. July 5th, 2018. Got here last night. Really hot out here. At Eldon Hazlet State Park in Carlisle, Illinois. Nobody's hardly here. Well, it's the middle of the week, so I'm gonna try to make this video a little shorter. The first one's a little bit on the long side, so I didn't know how to put these videos on. Got heat warnings out today again. Not gonna be doing too much, just too miserable hot. I'm out here early in the morning and it's hot already. You can see got the camper all kind of set up, but there's hardly anybody here. Lake's way over that way. Well, not too far, but right over that way. Carlisle's got a big lake here. One good thing they got going for the place here, they have a swimming pool right over that way, which ain't too far. We'll just walk. We'll be spending most of our time in the pool today, I think, because it's supposed to be a heat index of 105. Well, I'm going to try to make this short so it ain't too long. The last long video took me forever to post it, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to learn, you know, something to do. There's a little pan of the campground. We've been here before, but it's an alright campground. Nobody here. People might start showing up tomorrow, though. I don't know. We're only going to stay a couple days. It's just too hot. It's early. Got to get my coffee on. All right. Talk to you later.